Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook account without using your phone number or email address. So first simply just open the Facebook account creation page, then open a new tab and search for temp mail, then open the first website. Now just simply wait for a few seconds for the email ID to generate. Then after the email address is generated, just simply copy this. Then go to the Facebook, then click on create new account, then enter name and surname, then enter the email address over here, then again re-enter the email address, then enter a password, then enter your date of birth, then enter your gender, then just simply press sign up. Then if this type of pop-up appears, just simply click no, create new account, then just simply click continue, then click on I'm not robot, then click on again continue. Now it will send a 5-digit code to the temp mail over here, so just simply wait for a few minutes for the mail to arrive. Then when you receive the message, just simply open the message, then just scroll down and copy the code and paste it right over here, then click next. So after entering the codes, you might face with two different type of screen. So the first screen that you might find is the direct home page of the Facebook, or the second screen is this one which you are seeing right over here. Just simply click on back to Facebook, and after that you will be redirected to your Facebook account. That's how you can create a Facebook account without using a phone number or email address. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.